First tonight, a church in Charlotte is continuing its efforts to protect the community and the pandemic. Little Rock A.M.E. Zion Church offering vaccination and testing on site this afternoon. This as COVID cases continue to rise across North Carolina. Half the counties in the state now seeing high levels of community spread. WCNC Charlotte's Jesse Pierre shares the church's mission.
I couldn't wait for the vaccine because I had COVID when it first started, and I was in the hospital. So, a lot of people didn't leave the hospital, so I was fortunate.
The doors of Little Rock A.M.E. Zion Church opened Saturday, not for service, but for COVID vaccinations and testing. Christopher Bandy was first in line to get his second booster shot. He has gotten all of his COVID vaccines at the church.
Well, comfort level makes it easier for the community.
Pastor Dr. Dwayne Walker says this event is another way to keep his congregation safe.
The pandemic is very much alive, and the different variants are continuing to surface. We do know that the BA.5 variant is very contagious, and while the numbers are not as high as they once were, and hospitalizations are down, they are increasing.
Valid concerns, as half the counties in the state are listed in the CDC's highest risk level of community spread.
CDC data currently shows high levels of COVID transmission across North Carolina and high percentages of tests that are positive. We are experiencing that when we have 20 to 30% of tests we're doing that are positive.
Dr. Walker says he is keeping his eyes on the number of cases in the region and not taking it easy when it comes to COVID safety precautions.
We want people to be masked when they come into the building. We still do temperature checks and all of that because we know that some people are still leery of coming. We want them to know that when they come to Little Rock, this is a safe place.
Efforts Bandy is completely behind.
It's not going to stop until we all get vaccinated.
In Uptown, Jesse Pierre, WCNC Charlotte.